Hi business leaders. The AI wave is revolutionizing the business landscape like never before. Across the globe, organizations are contemplating integrating AI into their core processes. Therefore, it is high time for the businesses to talk about exploring artificial intelligence ASAP, be it AI in sales and marketing, or AI in shop floor operations, or AI in product development, AI in business procurement, or AI in industrial R&D, AI in human resource development, AI in employee relations, or AI in finance and accounting, or AI in general administration and corporate governance. You may find yourself pondering whether AI is the right move for your business. You must be thinking, is AI a magical solution to all my business problems? Or is the investment in AI justifiable in terms of the benefits it brings? Can my business thrive without AI? Which departments should embrace AI and which ones can wait? Will automation via AI reduce manpower or merely add another layer of complexity? And most crucially, can machines truly outperform humans? These are pressing questions. But you don't have to navigate this journey alone. Mystic Minds is here to partner with you on your path to a future where AI is a cornerstone of your business strategy. Our expertise lies in helping organizations assess their AI needs through a detailed, phased approach. We weigh the pros and cons of AI implementation for your specific business context and provide a clear roadmap forward. So, what are you waiting for? Book an appointment with Mystic Minds experts today to get your business assessed in terms of AI readiness. We at Mystic Minds understand the intricate steps needed to keep pace with the rapid technological advancements, particularly in AI. We will deliver a comprehensive assessment report highlighting your business's AI readiness and providing a strategic plan tailored to your implementation, rollout, and budgetary requirements. And the best part? This assessment is completely free. Yes, no charges. Connect with our technical experts and take the next step towards business excellence through AI. Let's work together to unlock your business's full potential with AI. With Mystic Minds, you can comfortably say, "Dear future, I am ready for a free AI readiness assessment." Write an email at info@mysticminds.com. Please find some time to visit our website mysticminds.com and explore various services being offered by us. Let us win together. Thank you.